Customize your calendar to fit your business needs and reflect your brand style. Update layouts, designs, and text to create a booking calendar page that's both functional and on brand. In this video, you'll learn how to choose the layout for your calendar. Select display elements, update your calendar's design, and edit text on the calendar. Let's dive in. First, go to your editor, then under Menus and Pages, choose Bookings Pages. Click the Booking Calendar page and select the Booking Calendar element. Then click Settings. From here, you can customize your booking calendar. You can choose which elements to display, adjust the layout, update the design, and edit the text. Now let's choose which details to show or hide on your booking calendar page. Open the Display tab to choose which elements to show. Header options. Show or hide subtitles and filters under your service title. Date and time. Show current availability, all time slots, or just available time slots. Use the slider to limit how many time slots are shown. Under Service Details, choose whether to show the booking details and if it's an online service. Now, let's take a look at the layout options. Open the Layout tab to pick a view for your calendar, like daily or weekly. Align your text to the left, center, or right. Adjust the padding around the calendar using sliders for spacing. Now let's customize the design. You can update styles to change the widget's background, header, borders, and dividers. Text to pick fonts and colors for text elements. And selections to design buttons and clickable elements. And if you want to undo your changes, just click the Reset button in any section. Now let's update the text on your calendar. Go to the Text tab to customize labels for headers, filters, dates, and buttons. And that's it. For more tips and guidance, check out the full article in our Help Center. Just click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.